Our customers especially value GOM software for two reasons. Firstly, GOM has always focused on offering its systems as all-in-one solutions. We always design our software to create a user experience incorporating the hardware and the sensors. Secondly, our philosophy has always been to ensure that our software developers really grasp our customers' problems. For this reason, our software developers are at exhibition booths and visit our customers on site. They are present during knowledge days to understand our customers' specific issues. In this way, instead of solving a specific issue, they distill it into a general solution which is also interesting to other customers. GOM software has always excelled in translating our customers' entire workflow into a uniform user experience. Our GOM Suite 2020 will condense everything into a single user experience. Now you can execute the entire workflow from photogrammetry through scanning to evaluation and reporting in a single software package. The GOM Suite 2020 also includes a new package system as added value. It replaces the current skin system, which customers had previously used to adjust report or label templates and to change settings at the eye inspect. The new package system, which we will implement via a GOM platform, will replace all of this. We intend to extend this functionality in the years to come, as well as offering packages to our customers that will expand software functionalities between releases.
Ein großer Vorteil dieses Paketsystems ist,
The beauty of the package system is that it can deal with updates more efficiently. When a package maintainer creates a new project version of a package, the projects or functionalities in that package will automatically indicate that an update is available for the relevant functions, which means your project will be up to date in no time.
Eine weitere Neuerung.
We will also open our software for third-party hardware, yet another new feature of the GOM Inspect Suite 2020. We will start off with the T-Scan family from Zeiss, for which our software provides direct support. You will be able to measure parts with the T-Scan hardware directly from our software, and to evaluate the collected data quickly and easily.
Unabhängig von den strukturellen Änderungen und dem
There are many more highlights and features in addition to the structural changes and the new GOM Inspect Suite 2020 package system. We will continue to focus on the part-based workflow which we introduced in our 2019 software, which also features many improvements.
Dort wird es viele Verbesserungen geben.
You can now measure several parts in a single project. This means that we can support, for instance, multi-part fixtures, where you can clamp and measure several parts in one fixture.
Eingespannt und gemessen hat. Weitere Verbesserungen wird es geben.
You will also be able to add several actual mesh states to a given part and switch back and forth easily between those meshes.
Hin und her wechseln kann. Auch den Themenkomplex digitaler Zusammenbau.
The Software Suite 2020 will also provide greater support for digital assemblies. Past versions have used special scripts to execute gap and flush analysis to meet, for example, different manufacturers' standards. We will use the data from these analyses to build a general solution. This will make it much easier for you to use the virtual master jig functionality to meet all automakers' requirements. Gone are the times when you had to fall back on countless scripts. The software now includes a functionality allowing you to comfortably perform these flush and gap analyses according to each automaker's standards. Our Software Suite 2020 also boasts many enhancements for evaluations using PMI files or for general GD&T evaluations. We have improved some algorithms, added computations that had not been possible so far, such as datum systems on free-form surfaces, and enhanced visualizations significantly. We now support standardized ISO visualizations of labels. As in CAD software, you will now be able to position labels in 3D. The label content will also be displayed in line with ISO standards, which will allow you to create and report visualizations in our software, which will be identical with the drawings you originally received for measurement planning.
Die Zeichnung, die man eigentlich bekommen hat, den Messplan zu erstellen. Nur dass diese Auswertung dann
The actual measured values are then added to this evaluation. Since GD&T mathematics deal with relatively complex formulae and standards, generating correct geometric elements in the software is not always that easy. We made a great effort to identify precisely such design defects in the GOM Inspect Suite 2020. Help messages will tell the user where to revise his design to ensure correct computation of the geometric elements. The software will provide much more precise information about user errors. Ideally, it will offer an immediate solution which the user can select and execute.
Hier quasi dann einfach auswählen und ausführen kann. Schaut man nun auf den Bereich der Inspektionen von Turbinenschaufeln.
When it comes to blade inspections, our Software 2020 has another highlight in store, namely blisk analyses. That is, ring segments comprising several of these rotor blades.
Bisher war es relativ komplex und
Up to now, such evaluations have been relatively complex and elaborate. Now they are much easier. You define your evaluations for only one blade and then run them automatically for all blades, or select blades on the blisk. Automatic position generation can prepare the measuring program so that you can scan the blades or the blisk in their entirety and run a simplified evaluation afterwards.
fassen kann im Scanning und dann hinterher vereinfacht auswerten kann. Damit
This
spart
saves you a lot of manual input. Instead of having to create hundreds of evaluation elements manually, the software will execute this task.
Ein weiterer Schwerpunkt des Software 2020
The 2020 software release will also focus on CT volume data inspections. It now includes a volume renderer where you can view the tomographic planes straight away without having to polygonize and evaluate the scanned CT data beforehand. You will be able to work directly on the volume data. The software will feature very extensive clipping functionalities where you can comfortably view even internal structures from different perspectives, with the usual good user experience of our software.
Ein weiteres Highlight.
The new shrinkage cavity analysis functionality is another highlight for CT evaluations. With this novel element, you can classify, evaluate, sort, and locate subsurface component defects with relative ease, ensuring that you can execute your customer's use cases. Which defects are too close to the surface? Which defects have an oversized volume and will cause the part to be outside the tolerance range?
Auch im Bereich des Virtual
Our
Clamping
Software Suite 2020 also includes several virtual clamping improvements. We already demonstrated with our Software 2019 that we can indeed achieve a significantly higher repeatability with virtual clamping, i.e. measuring parts in free state, compared to clamping and measuring parts in physical fixtures.
Basierend auf diesen Erfolgen haben wir natürlich unsere Softwarefunktionalitäten hier auch erweitert in der Software
Naturally, we've expanded our software functionalities after this success.
Netze geben.
One of the new features is an improved mesh interpolation so as to minimize artifacts that occur in rare cases. Switching between different clamped states is another enhancement which our customers had requested. You will also be able to see the state of the mesh without gravity compensation and to depict its different states on a report page for comparison purposes.
Reportseite abbilden und miteinander vergleichen zu können.